What's up, my charge people? Jeez! Man is gassed! Oi, do you know what? I'm truly happy and grateful that we reached 500 subscribers. Thanks to you all. Couldn't have done it without you, you know. Oh my god, you know, it means so much to me. Thank you all. Yeah, so we're gonna do a giveaway. Comment down below if you want to take part in the giveaway, and yeah, that's it, man. And when I do figure out how to do the giveaway, obviously I'm gonna give away something, innit? And yeah, just comment down below. But yeah, for now, we're on the road. We're going to go get another project. What? You say another project? But this time, I'm not buying it. Well, not just yet. Anyways,
yeah,
my brother's buying it.
That's the next one.
Trust me. Oi, that next one, yeah, gassed. You lot gotta stay tuned for that. Even this one, it's alright. We'll see what you all think. But yeah, my brother took me there the other day and I was like, I don't know. It's a non-runner, so...
Well, he said it runs, but
yeah,
it's got a bottom end knock.
Interesting. Yeah, and there's a water pipe off. And what I did notice, I checked the dipstick, 0 oil in there. So, fingers crossed, it's going to be alright, you know. Or has he bought a banger?
Who knows?
Shall we let him know what brand it is?
I think the viewers can wait a few minutes.
Do you think?
For the reveal.
Yeah, let's go, man. Like, we're on the way now anyway. Right, my charge people, we've just got to our destination. And yeah, just walking up to the motor now. Also, during this travels, I just made a purchase for the Supra. Oh my god, you're not going to be charged when you see it. Like, what? Would be rude not to. Right, let's show you this car. Yeah, bought a Mustang.
Yeah.
I'm joking. Well,
Yeah,
is it this lovely turbo Scooby? Jeez. So that's enough teasing you all. Let's show you all what we've actually got now. Jeez. That's right, y'all. We've got another Jap Mitsubishi GTO, baby. Nice set of rims. Let's put them on Supra, y'all. Pop the hood, man. And there it is. 3 litre. Unfortunately, not twin turbos. Why you not go twin turbo, man?
it didn't come with turbos.
Gotta be charged, y'all. That's a big old engine, eh? So yeah, what you lot all think? New project, not my project, brother's project. But yeah, it's Jap. We love our Jap, and we'll get going with some work on it. Also, like I said, starting from this video, comment down below if you want an opportunity in the giveaway. And yeah, this one is the new one for the channel. We may go down back to the original route. What you lot all think? Yo, that's a nice knob there. Yo, I just got myself a gift. Jeez. Yo, hey.
Yeah, it is.
We like it.
There's loads of them there.
That's mine now. So, here we go. Got the GTO back at home. Here's the Supra. And just assessing it. And I'm sure we told you, it's got the water pipe missing from there. to there, and then from up there somewhere. Is it gonna run? We shall see. It looks wider than the Superman. Luckily enough, what? Got a Mitsubishi Drifto handbrake hoe, yeah? There's the water pipes. That's exactly what we need. Seems like it's already on the pipe. And another pipe. So, as my brother bought a banger, or is it a good one? We'll find out. We'll get these on and then test it, put some oil in it. Yeah, that one looks like it goes up there, like so. And then up there too. Is it down there somewhere? Why they disconnected this, I don't know. And does it run? Let's find out, yo. So, them pipes are back on now with some temporary Jubilees. I like this style Jubilee. Just need to top up some water in there, disconnect the coil packs. I would have disconnected it from here, but can't read Japanese language. Right, it's got the water in it. We've hopefully taken out the ignition coil pack.
Right there, number 30 amp.
So it won't start up, but hopefully turn over now. Let's put some oil in it. Just for the time being. Just to see if he's bought a scrapper or not. He did say it's got bomb end knock, but yeah, let's find out. You up? Can do. I'm standing back because I don't want to be deafened again. Jeez! Not enough juice. In the meantime, turn the lights on. Let me have a look. So butchers, see what it looks like.
I was going to say, take the plugs out so you squirt a little bit of oil down the chambers just to help the lubrication.
Yeah, but it's turning anyway.
What?
Oh yeah. What do you lot think of these lights? Do we keep them or put the old pop-ups back on them? Just get it charged, yo. Don't be doing what you've just done, yeah? Try to put the negative first and then positive. You gotta go be positive first and then negative. Let's find out. Let's see. Ooh, it actually runs. Jeez. What? I think you might have an exhaust blow on here, you know. I can barely hear any noise from the back. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It don't sound right. It's got an exhaust blow. And that sounds like the hydraulic tappets up top. Jeez. So that concludes this video for today. We know it runs, which is a good thing. By the looks of it and sounds of it, it don't seem like it's the bottom end. It seems like it's the hydraulic tappet. But the next video it's going to be is that we're going to sort out that exhaust blow, probably give it a wash.
It needs a wash.
Yeah,
Definitely.
because it's just filthy. You get me? Also, I think the video before the next one, before this one, is we went to some car auction place and oh my god, how many barn finds? 174, and they're all for sale. So that video should be up next. But yeah, stay charged, stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna keep the contents coming out for you all.
Don't forget to like, share,
Comment.
and subscribe.
Jeez, stay
Comment down
charged,
below.
yo.